Mayo Daily. Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Mayo Daily. In today's video, we're taking you on a virtual tour of one of the most beautiful islands in the world, Palawan Island in the Philippines. Palawan is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and jaw-dropping landscapes. So, if you're ready to join us on this adventure, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First up, we're going to show you some of the most beautiful spots on the island from high above. Take a look at these breathtaking views of the turquoise waters, the lush forests, and the majestic limestone cliffs that surround the island. But Palawan is not only about its stunning landscapes, it's also about its amazing culture and people. We had the chance to meet some of the local fishermen who showed us how they catch fish using traditional methods. It was incredible to see how skilled and patient they are. Another way to experience the local culture is to visit one of the many markets on the island. Here, you can find all kinds of exotic fruits, vegetables, and spices that you've probably never seen before. We also had the chance to try some of the delicious street food, like the famous Filipino dish, balut. It's a fertilized duck egg that's boiled and eaten with salt and vinegar. It might sound weird, but it's actually pretty tasty. One of the most popular attractions on the island is the Puerto Princesa underground river. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of nature. The river is over 8 kilometers long and runs through a stunning cave system that's home to thousands of bats and other creatures. It's truly an otherworldly experience. If you're looking for a more laid-back atmosphere, El Nido is the place to be. It's a small town located on the northern tip of Palawan, and it's famous for its beautiful lagoons, hidden beaches, and limestone cliffs. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up some sun. One of the must-see attractions in El Nido is the Big and Small Lagoon. You can explore these stunning lagoons by kayak or boat and discover their crystal clear waters, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. It's a paradise that's hard to describe in words. Last but not least, we have Coron Island. It's located in the northern part of Palawan, and it's famous for its shipwrecks, which attract divers from all over the world. We had the chance to explore some of the sunken Japanese warships from World War II, which have now become home to an incredible array of marine life. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Palawan Island. It's truly a gem that everyone should experience at least once in their lifetime. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures from around the world. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. But wait, we're not done yet. Palawan Island also has a vibrant nightlife that you shouldn't miss. We headed to a night market in Puerto Princesa where we tried some of the local delicacies, danced to live music, and mingled with the friendly locals. And if you're more into beach parties, Palawan has got you covered too. We attended a beach party in El Nido where we danced barefoot in the sand under the stars, sipping on cold drinks and enjoying the company of fellow travelers. It was truly a night to remember. And let's not forget about the locals. Filipinos are some of the friendliest and most hospitable people in the world. They welcomed us with open arms, shared their culture and traditions with us, and showed us what true kindness is all about. And that concludes our virtual tour of Palawan Island. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our adventures. And if you've been to Palawan before or plan to visit soon, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.